Hello, this is group 3. We're doing lesson 9. Right now we're just going through the quiz and talking about
Where are
it.
we coming live from?
What was that?
Where are we coming live from?
Oh, we are live from San Diego still.
San Francisco.
What is, I can't see what your paper says.
It says good morning, San Diego.
Good morning, San Diego. San Diego Superchargers. Okay. So I got true for the first two.
Mm.
Debatable. Should we just alternate each question?
Yeah,
Sure.
yeah.
All right. So which hypothesis involves an equal sign? So that's always the null hypothesis.
Okay. That sounds
Yeah, I
right.
think it's the null hypothesis too. The p-value is the probability of obtaining a sample statistic at least as extreme as the one that was actually observed. Use this information to answer the next question. Remember that the p-value is the probability of obtaining a sample statistic at least as extreme as the one that was actually observed. When computing the p-value, which hypothesis do you assume to be true?
Can you read that one more time?
Null? Would it be the
Yeah.
null?
Yeah, I think it's the null too.
Yeah. Coolio, man.
Okay. Question 5. Suppose the null hypothesis HO is, well, how do you say that? Is that sigma or is that
Just say U.
Mu?
U equals 10? I think it's the mean, but anyways, U equals 10. Use this information to answer the next two questions. Question 5. Which of the following represents the alternative hypothesis for a two-tailed test? I'm pretty sure that it's the hypothesis with the A, the alternative. It's when it's not 10.
Yeah, like that chart in the reading.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not equal to.
Which of the following represents the alternative hypothesis for a left-tailed test? Left, less. So the first one. Mu is less than 10.
Yeah. And then it's just the opposite, right? For the next one, the right-tailed.
I think so.
So which of the following represents the alternative hypothesis for a right-tailed? It'd be greater than, right?
Yeah.
How do you say, Aaron? Mu?
Oh, it
I'm
is mu.
pretty sure it's mu.
Yeah, I think it's mu.
Oh. Yeah, so greater than. Yeah, greater. Yeah, greater than.
Okay, so question 8. Which relationship results in failing to reject the null hypothesis? If the p-value is greater than alpha, then it fails to reject the null hypothesis.
Sounds good, because the next one I knew was less than. Go together.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ooh.
9 was less than.
You want to do number 10, Aaron?
Appropriate alternative hypothesis for H of A. So when original settings, the rates, they believe the average would be 1,500. So I put, they're concerned that the true mean is actually higher. So I put the average claim would be greater than 1,500.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
Yeah, that makes sense. And then for the next one, their new hypothesis, which of the following would be the appropriate null hypothesis? Their hypothesis. Just kidding. It's A, right? The average
Yeah,
claim
it's
amount
here.
is equal to 1,500 because that's what they originally had.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
All right, for the next one, insurance company randomly selects 40 claims. Calculated mean is 1,650. The insurance company assumes the distribution of the sample mean is normal. Is that a good assumption? And it is a good assumption because the sample size is large. And the other one's just, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you're good with these ones, Matt. Is that large numbers or central limit?
I think it's law of, well, no, actually, I think it's, after another look at it, I think it's central limit theorem.
Google central limit. Yeah, you're right. Somehow.
I would have put law of large numbers.
I would have too. It's weird.
Says the one who just called it the central law.
All right. Who wants to do 14?
Which
Which
of the
of-
following is the test? I can't say statistic is as defined in this lesson. It's Z, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Z is in Zeta.
Zebra?
I said Zeta. Like, isn't that a Canadian thing?
Yeah.
But also Z is in zebra, yes.
All right, Aaron. Time for you to do your math.
Choose a level of significance. She takes the random sample of 36 cells, 144. So is this just 144, 150 divided by square root of 6?
No,
Zero
square.
point
It's the
36.
square of 36,
Oh, just kidding. Square root of 36.
which is 6.
Yeah.
Negative 0.9.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
what I got.
I got negative 0.367, but I did the square root of 6, not 36.
I'll plug it in.
What did you get for your p-value? I got 0.184.
So do we just use one of the sides?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's how they
Which
did
side?
it. The left side. That's how, well, at least that's how they did it in the example problem in the online textbook.
Is that because it's less than? If it was greater than, we'd probably use the right.
I think so, yeah.
You know, all right, good enough for me.
17, because p is greater than alpha. I think it's failed to reject.
Yeah, that makes sense.
To reject. The null value.
All right. What is your conclusion for this problem? We have sufficient evidence that the true population mean is 150.
Yeah, I think
No.
that's the right one.
Well, that kind of disagrees with our last answer, right? Failed to reject the null hypothesis. Our null hypothesis was 150.
Yeah, the null hypothesis. Wait, which one are you talking? Yeah, wait, which one are you talking about?
18. Well, not the first one. Not the second one.
But the third one.
Maybe the third one, but not the fourth.
Yeah, I think it's the third one.
Yeah,
Yeah.
me too. Totally.
Totally,
Alright.
bro.
Totally, dude. Party like a rock. Party like a rock star.
Okay, 19. There are two types of errors that can be made. Which one involves rejecting the null hypothesis when the null hypothesis is true? I would say
That's
from the
type 1.
reading, yeah, type 1. Type 1 diabetes.
What?
Sorry, nothing.
Oh,
Have you ever? There's some, I don't know where it's from, but it says diabetes. I don't know what it's from, but anyways. Question 20.
probability of type 2 error will increase.
The probability of a type 2 error will increase. What is a type 2 error?
It's a good question. Type 1, type 2. Let's see. Let's see. Use my wife.
The false. So when the null hypothesis is wrong.
Oh, okay. So
So
the
it's not. So yeah, it's number 2.
okay, so it's number 2.
And then 0.05 would just be 5%.
Okay, 0.05 for 21. All right, gonna submit it.
Good quiz, guys.
All right, I'm gonna turn off the video.
All right, see you guys next week. Got a jet.